Today we're going to create this poster in Photoshop. First of all, open up a new file. Set the size to 1080 by 1350 pixels, which is the standard Instagram post size. Next, fill the background with any solid color of your choice. Then, place the texture file that we already downloaded. In the blending options, change the mode to multiply so it blends nicely with the background. Now, create a new layer, Command+Shift+N on Mac or Control+Shift+N on Windows, and fill it with a solid color. This will act as the tabletop. After that, create another new layer for the side of the table. This layer should be filled with a slightly lighter color so it reflects proper highlights. Move this layer down until it matches with the rest of the setup. Next, add the tabletop texture on top of the layer. Mask it from the top layer, then reduce the opacity to blend it in. Increase the brightness slightly using curves for a more realistic look. In the same way, add the texture to the side shape, mask it, and brighten it using curves. Now, let's add our drink. I've already downloaded it as a sample. Select it using the Object Selection tool, apply a mask, and place it into position. For the shadow, use the same selection. Control+click on the layer mask. Then press Control+Shift+N or Command+Shift+N on Mac to create a new layer. Fill it with black color, Alt+Backspace or Control+Backspace. Then, transform it, Command+T on Mac or Control+T on Windows, and adjust it according to the placement of the drink. Go to Filter, then Blur, then choose Motion Blur to create a realistic shadow effect. After that, apply a mask and use a soft brush or gradient tool to lighten certain areas of the shadow, keeping it natural. Remove any extra shadows that don't look right. Next, duplicate your selected drink layer and increase its brightness with curves to enhance highlights. Apply a gradient mask so the light looks more natural. If there's still unwanted white space, simply select that area and fill it with white using the Generative Fill tool. Once that's done, we'll move to the text. In my case, I'm just adding a sample text that says paste. You can add any text you want. Adjust the font, size, and placement, and make sure it's centered properly. Now our Instagram size poster is ready. If we want to make a banner version, simply extend the canvas using the crop tool and fill the extra area with Generative Fill. And that's it. Our design is complete. See you in the next one.